When the cold gray weather is finally behind us, and we can't wait to finally get back outside, there can be some unpleasant surprises waiting for us. After just a few seasons, sometimes a year, a lot can build up on your back deck, patio, and the furniture too. That's when a hero like Ricky Banjo comes along, a pressure wash pro of Bournemouth Jet Washing. And the first thing he does, after the quick pre-wash rinse to remove any large loose items, is to get the tricky areas, things like steps and into corners where the large pressure wash head that comes next can't fit. And just look at the drastic difference it makes. Those layers of pollution, algae, built up pine tar, and more really do blacken a beautiful patio like this sandstone one. After that detailed pressure wash around the outsides, another quick rinse down before the big guy comes out. They're two jets spinning and blasting just an inch from the surface of the patio, and you can't tell yet because of the pool that they create, but it has ripped all of that grime away. Being meticulous, Ricky never misses a spot, taking his time and doing a thorough job. Moving on to the second half of this crazy, dirty sandstone patio. And when that's done, it'll be on to killing any remaining algae and breaking loose any of the really tricky spots. Finally getting a glimpse of what this patio might look like. That lovely pink color starting to break through as the last of that year's worth of built-up gunk is blasted away. Just a few more passes and it's on to rinsing the whole surface down, not to mention cleaning the equipment. And like an amazing reveal, suddenly the patio looks ready for patio season. Look at how much buildup needs to be carefully corralled away. That's more like it. Another amazing job done by Ricky Banjo. A quick run around to dry up a few areas, and then it's all about a careful rinse down, ensuring nothing's left, nothing's being overlooked. And of course it hasn't. The before, the after, the one and only Ricky Banjo from Bournemouth Jet Washing.